Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm blushing. Anyways, if you're a new subscriber, hi there. Welcome to my messy boys. Hi lovely. Hi my guys. Anyway, sorry. I'm so excited because I took a 12 hours long shift on Monday and I shut down for 3 good days, and today I have a little bit of energy, so that means I haven't been recording for 3 days now, and today I woke up and I feel a little bit okay. So I said let's continue our vlogs anyways. So Merry Christmas. If I don't know, I didn't really wish you guys Merry Christmas, but yeah, Merry Christmas. That's it. What else? Anyways, Merry Christmas to you all. I pray the birth of Jesus Christ renew all of us and strengthen us in our daily endeavors. Period. Anyways, so today I'm going to do laundry and I'm going to go outside today because I haven't been outside for like a couple of days. I mean, not outside, I go outside, but like that is when I'm going somewhere, but just outside my surrounding, I haven't been there. So today I'm going to do laundry and clean up, and then we'll go outside and look at the weather, how beautiful it is, because I peeped outside and it looks so really good today. So let's do it. And yeah, I'll probably give you guys a room tour, but I'm not sure about that. I don't know, but I will give you guys a room tour. So yes. And what else? What am I going to tell you guys? Thinking. Anyways, and if you see me wearing black today, you are so lucky. I don't know how to explain it, but you will never see me wear all black. I don't know, you will never see me wear all black. So if you see me wearing all black today, I don't know how to, but I'm wearing pants which are black. I don't know, I can't show you that. Which are black, and then my shirt is black, though it has some colors right here, but you will never see me wear all black. My hair black, my shirt black, and my pants black. So that means you are so lucky. So the laundry, our machines, we have to pay in the apartment. We have to pay for it, so you have to have coins to pay for that. So I have the coins because the shoes got me coins yesterday. So I'm just gonna pack my things and then we can go. But first of all, you know how we do it, the white goes first before the other things. So I'm gonna pack the white and then I'll show you guys how we do it if only you're interested. But yeah, just to add to the vlog. And then I have a lot of dishes, not dishes, like it's not a lot. Well, I'm always trying to like find a reason not to, like I will state the reason and find a reason to oppose the reason. Do you get what I mean? But anyway, yes, so let's do it. I'll show you today because today is a little bit of cleanups. Yeah, and I might go to Dollar General because my birthday is in 3 days, and I don't know, I've been thinking about it. I want to do something, but my bank account is saying that you can't try it, but let's do it. I really want to do something. If I won't do something that has some pictures, I'm gonna definitely take. So yeah, anyways, let's do it. Let's do the laundry, guys. How do I look, guys? I look good. Anyways, I'm still recovering from that 12-hour shift, but I look good, and that's on period. Let's go. So literally this is the current situation of my wardrobe. It's not really my small wardrobe, but yeah, I'll probably give you guys a room tour. I keep saying it, but I'll think about it if only I want to. But yes, this is the current situation, and it's literally funny because I was looking for something and I put everything down. If not, I wouldn't have even thought about like maybe doing laundry today. But yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, let's bring them all out. And this is how the laziness starts. I don't know, I had a missed call, but the call is ending. I don't know who that is. That's weird. I thought you were sleeping.
I was almost gone.
To where? To my vlog.
Hello, lovely people.
What did you say?
Hello, lovely people.
Okay, Beatrice is saying hello, lovely people. So you guys are so lovely. that I'm here. Are you not the one who was sleeping?
I'm like,
Let me give you guys the benefit of the doubt. If you're confused of what I'm doing, just keep being confused. I know I said white first, but there are two washes, so I put the white down and then I put the other ones on top. So when I get there, I remove the top ones that are multicolors and put it in a different one, and now get to the white one and put it there. So yeah, just hang in there, hang in there. Cause who are you to judge me? Let's say you be holy past. Let's count the money. How many can we wash today and dry? Oh dear Lord. So yep, the mirror is giving, but it's dirty. I'm not going to send this because I'm not drying yet, because that would be a lot for me to carry. So I'm going to send this to, and then when it's done, then I'll go with this one and do the drying. So let's go. You guys, I'm serious. I'm going to be vlogging all my life. I'm serious. We are here. I tell you. And I have to pay like $2 each, and $2 each over there for drying, $2 for washing. So I don't know how many times I'm going to wash, but I'm sure it's gonna be 2 times. I don't have money to wash 3 times, so let's do it, baby. Today's weather is so good. If me, I can walk outside of this weather today without wearing like, say the sun is shining. Oh boy, let's take pictures. I'm going to just sit here under the sun, and let's have a conversation. I'm hot. The water is so good and I like it out here. I guess I'll come back in the evening. How did I know that it was so good outside here? Maybe because I hate cold. I don't really like cold, but to see me outside here means that it's not really that cold today. And yeah, I like it. I brought my skipping rope, so let's do it. Come here and do some exercise by skating. I guess I'm tired. I didn't plan to come and skate. But like when I was coming, I didn't have anything to come and say or talk about. So I'm like, why not? Let's do it. Hi guys, I was sleeping. I won't lie, I didn't go to the shop. I have been sleeping since I got back from the park, and then these are the clothes. So yeah, I'm just going to pack them back. It's currently 11:09. So that's why my YouTube videos are always about my room, because when I can't sleep, I wake up to arrange my room. So yeah, let's pack my things. So I'm going to bring hangers. I don't know what this is, but well, yeah, it's about that time of the month, so I'm not surprised, but it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad, so very bad, so very bad. These batteries are tired of me, so I'm going to wipe the mirror a little bit because it's so dusty. Okay, perfect. I don't know why I'm still awake at this time. Probably because I took a nap. But come on, I do it all the time. Which doesn't make sense. I feel like this is bigger than this. So let's make this the same thing as this. I think they are the same size, but not the same shape. What am I talking about? Like, they're different shapes, but not the same size. I kind of like this more than this again. And I feel like this is small, this is big. It's better now. I'm done. Not today. I'm going to take my bath. But I try. We're going in tomorrow. Keep trying until I get it right. But yeah. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching up to this side. I really do appreciate. I love you. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and click on the notification and like, and please comment. Okay, I know I said certain things that I wasn't able to do today because I took a nap, a long nap, so I might continue those ones tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow because I know it's gonna be an everyday vlog. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's almost 12. Let me go and take my shower and then I'll take some rest. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. I love you.